Hello everyone. Welcome my channel, where I share some amazing health and fitness content, and some great tips on how to stay fit and healthy on a daily basis. If you are new and just finding this channel, always remember to do me a favor by leaving a like, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more updates. Always remember to click that notification bell, so you don't miss out on any of these videos like the provide here. Also make sure you watch this video until the end, as you will be surprised about our findings on the kidney disease solution. Before we get started, check out the first link in the description after watching this video to get the kidney disease solution at a discounted price. Let's begin. The Kidney Disease Solution Program. Everything about the Kidney Disease Solution Program by Duncan Capicchiano. Detailed kidney disease solution reviews with features, pros and cons. March 19, 2021, 21:25 Eastern Time. Source: Consumer's Companion. New York, March 19, 2021, Globe Newswire. An all-in-all solution to various kinds of kidney disease is what the authors, Duncan Capicchiano and his wife Fiona Chin, are providing through their program called the Kidney Disease Solution. It is estimated that over 37 million Americans have chronic kidney disease, CKD, but most of them don't know it yet. Kidney disease is often viewed in the medical community as something that only runs in one direction, and that is from bad to worse. Often, dialysis and kidney transplant are the only options available in Western medicine after stage 4 of renal diseases. The Kidney Disease Solution reviews. Is Duncan Capicchiano's ebook worthy? The Kidney Disease Solution comprises a collection of new holistic treatment methods that claim to reverse even advanced stages of kidney disease. Let's see what's included in this collection, and how effective its treatment methods are turning out. Go through the Kidney Disease Solution reviews to know more. What is the Kidney Disease Solution? The Kidney Disease Solution is an all-in-one step-by-step program that provides you with everything you need to reverse your kidney disease, improve kidney function, and protect your kidneys from further damage, so you may avoid dialysis and transplant. It includes a collection of ebooks and cookbooks that provide specific instructions on assessing your condition, interpreting your test results, and creating a structured treatment and diet plan that is exclusively suited to your condition. All of its treatment methods are based on the latest findings in naturopathic science, and some are derived from traditional Eastern medicine. It also comes with meditational audiobooks and videos for providing a holistic approach to treat kidney diseases and induce healing. They also provide free lifetime program updates, so members can take advantage of new information that they discover, and also, their lifetime email support will be useful for clearing any queries. How does the Kidney Disease Solution ebook work? The Kidney Disease Solution ebook brings a holistic approach to individually treat each case of kidney disease according to their unique requirements. People suffering from diabetes, hypertension, or kidney stones, each have their unique therapies and diet plans that have to be implemented. Then they provide specific natural remedies that they have to take daily for treating their condition. They provide a dedicated cookbook that includes special recipes for supporting your kidney health and improving kidney function. They also provide audio variants of guided meditation exercises for dealing with stress and improving your sleep quality. The morning yoga flow exercises with world-renowned yogini Antonella Milo helps to energize you for the day and restore kidney health. All of their treatment practices are based on the latest developments from various studies and research conducted worldwide on kidney health and their treatment. This study from Halberg Medical Hospital and Research Institute in India found that among their 97 kidney disease patients under study, some of whom were already on dialysis, found an improvement in their urea and creatinine levels drop, and people needing dialysis halved after just 12 weeks of nutritional supplement dosage. In another case study conducted at the Chiba Institute of Technology, Japan, patients with kidney failure who underwent dialysis started taking a supplement tablet, and after just 4 weeks, significant drops in urea and creatinine levels were observed. Similarly, a team of scientists from South Korea who tested this herb used in traditional Chinese medicine to help kidney function found that creatinine levels, urinary protein excretion, and glomerulosclerosis all went down after taking this herb for just 6 weeks. Training the mind and fighting off stress is also an important aspect of improving your kidney health. The guided meditation and yoga exercises will help you gain control over your mind and internally channel your energy towards improving your kidney function. Benefits of the Kidney Disease Solution. The Kidney Disease Solution gives you access to everything you need to know about kidney health and its treatment that includes Page 130, the 5-part recipe for Nana's Secret Tea. It is the initial treatment that Fiona's Nana was on, and it's the recipe that benefited her condition the most. It generated a lot of positive responses from the majority of its members. Page 35, 7 little known lifestyle factors that directly cause kidney damage. These factors are not addressed by modern medicines, so once you know what these lifestyle factors are, you'll be able to avoid these everyday things from contributing to your kidney damage. Page 128, genius methods to lower the load you place on your kidneys. It is a very efficient method that allows you to relieve your kidneys from toxic substances that build up in the long run. Page 91, for must-have nutrients. This section introduces you to the 4 key nutrients that should be a part of everybody's treatment plan, regardless of which type of kidney disease you have. Page 70, here, you'll learn about the 4 powerful herbs that have been used in traditional Chinese medicine for thousands of years for effectively managing good kidney health. Even many professional herbalists and naturopaths don't know about these specific herbal medicines. Page 136, here you'll learn 2 simple lifestyle changes that go against what most doctors will tell you to do, but could be crucial in helping you improve kidney function. They will also help avoid other major health issues as well mentioned in this kidney disease solution review on Powdersville Post. Page 191, here you'll learn something crucial in kidney health, the common herbs and nutrients that anybody with kidney problems should avoid as they can be dangerous to kidney health. Dealing with stress. The guided meditation and yoga exercises from Antonella Milo will help you deal with everyday stress and internally channel your energy to trigger healing in your kidneys. All natural remedies. All of the treatment methods and herbal remedies that they provide are easy to make at home and free from harmful chemicals. Side effect free and 100% safe. Because it only uses natural remedies like BioFit, it is free from any harmful side effects, and it does not induce any habit-forming mentality from its users. The Kidney Disease Solution Pricing. Currently, the Kidney Disease Solution Program is priced at just $87 for their whole collection of ebooks, e-cookbooks, audiobooks, and meditation videos. You have the option to add the Gold Pack variant for an additional cost of $27 to get the full digital product. The Kidney Disease Solution Program comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee that promises a full refund in case you are not satisfied with their products if you return them